Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to talk a little bit about our solar system. And the center of our solar system is the sun. It's what holds all the planets together, gives the gravitational force that keeps them going around and around the sun. It's not a planet, though. It's a star. It's a big star that gives lots and lots of heat. Millions of miles away, we can still feel the sun's warmth and gives us our light, has our plants grow so we have food. We love the sun. How many times do we wish for a sunny day when it's raining? The sun is the energy that pulls us all together. The closest planet to the sun is this little tiny planet of Mercury. Mercury is the closest to the sun. It only takes 88 days for it to go all the way around. Now, you know, Earth takes 365 days to go around the sun. So if I lived on Mercury, I would be 275 years old. Oh my gosh, that's old. Mercury is very interesting too, because there's no air around it. So the part that's facing the sun is so hot. It's extremely hot. But this side that's away from the sun is freezing cold. It wouldn't be a very good place for us to live. There's no air, there's no water. It's just rocky and mountains and craters. The next planet from the sun is Venus. Venus is a little further away than Mercury is, and it's the brightest planet because the sun reflects onto the clouds that cover it. And these clouds that cover Venus, oh my gosh, they keep all this stuff in that makes it a stinky planet. It keeps the heat in. That's why it's the hottest planet in our solar system. It's rocky, made of metal too, like Mercury, but again, it's not a planet that we want to live on. And, it takes 225 days for this planet to go around the sun. On that planet, I'd be much younger. I would only be 108 years old. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It's one of the largest inner planets that we have that's in our solar system, and it's the perfect planet. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just right. That's why we all live on the planet Earth. It is the only planet in our solar system that has life. We have water, we have land, we have air to breathe. It is the perfect planet. It has one moon called Luna that we can see at night. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It's the closest one to Earth. It is called the red planet because it's covered with this red dust. It is very cold. You'd have to be really bundled up to go to Mars and live on Mars, but there's no water. There's frozen polar caps. They did think that once upon a time there might have been water on Mars, but there isn't any now. So it would not be a great place to live, but it is close. So maybe one day you can take a spaceship and visit Mars. Mars also goes around the sun really fast, twice as fast as Earth does. And if I lived on Mars, I'd only be 35 years old. But I couldn't stay there long because there's no air to breathe on Mars. These are our four inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They have mountains and rocks and craters and volcanoes on them. Those are called our inner planets. We're going to talk about our outer planets next that are all gassy planets.